Hi, from Rochelle's Kosher Kitchen. So today's recipe is potted steak. It's family favorite. It's prep time. So I love Meat Maven and their beef chucks. These are perfect steaks to make your potted steaks with. They come out so soft. So first, we're going to take our casserole pan and we are going to just cover the bottom with oil. This dish is smothered in onions. My oven is already on 350, and the first thing you do is cover the bottom with lots of diced cut up onions. I wouldn't really dice them. I like them a little on the chunky side. So a layer of your onions go on the bottom, and then just take each steak and lay them out. I have my 2 cans of peeled tomatoes and diced tomatoes ready to go. And I'm making 6 steaks. After your steaks are laid out, let's season. We get our pinch of salt on top of here. I'm using a little smoked paprika. A little turmeric. I always like to use turmeric. It doesn't really give off a flavor, but gives off a color. It's good for the brain. And a little regular paprika. Of course, our pinch of pepper. I'm going to take my peeled tomatoes and put them right on top. Squishy time. Take your tomatoes and just squish them right on top of your potted steak. Now I'm taking some more onions. I like to cut them so that they're round and just put them right on top of our steak. The dish is all about the tomatoes and the smothered in onions, top and bottom. With the diced tomatoes, I'm not using too many of them, so I'm just going to coat the sides with the diced tomatoes. That's it. It's done. We just take our parchment paper. I like to wet it. We're going to put the parchment paper right on top of our potted steak. Seal it with aluminum foil. Say goodbye to it for 2 hours. All right, our potted steak is done. The whole house smells so good. You know when your steak is done, when you can just reach in there and just pull it right off. Melts in your mouth. This is Rochelle's Kosher Kitchen family favorite potted steak. Hope you enjoy.